Welcome to Phoenix Laser Creations. Thanks for coming. This channel is about laser engraving and laser cutting, making all kinds of little crafts and projects with it. And we're going to be following my journey from never having touched a laser machine in my life to getting one and unboxing it, setting it up, and then creating a business um, from scratch. So the business is actually already registered, which is which is why I'm going public with the name and everything. And come and hang out with us and see how we build this business from scratch with no experience. The idea is I'm going to show you how easy it is to start a laser business. And I've done a lot of research before I pulled the trigger on buying something. As I'm making this video, the laser actually is here in the house. It just showed up at the door about 15 minutes ago. But I don't have the necessary venting stuff to vent it outside. So I can't use it until I can vent it outside properly. So that's what we're waiting for. Hopefully by Wednesday, I should have all the pieces I need. And then I'm going to cut the initial hole in a piece of wood and cut the wood, stick it in the window, attach the laser to it, and then I've got another cut that I need to do right away to make a hole to accept the exhaust and intake from my air conditioner. It's going to get hot in here with the heat this thing produces, so we've moved the air conditioner into this room, into the office here. So that's going to be one of the first operations I do with this thing once we get it up and running. So make sure you come back and see how we're doing and what we're up to. And we'll see you on the next one, folks. Bye for now.